remove bracket and simplify this expression. Solution. We have minus 8z into bracket z minus 1 minus 10 into bracket 3z minus 5. The first multiplier here is minus 8z and it's negative. So we'll be used to multiply the first term. Minus 8z times z, that will be what? Minus 8z squared. Minus 8z times minus 1. Minus times minus is what? That's plus. So we have this to be plus 8z. Now, using minus 10 to multiply this, what do we have? Minus 10 times 3z. What are we having? That was minus 30z. Because 10 times 3 is 30. And we have minus here. So this same minus 10, we also multiply minus 5. Minus times minus is plus. So 10 times 5 will give us 50. The next thing for us to do, we now have minus 8z squared. Then the middle terms are like terms. So we have 8z minus 30. Normally when you have 30 minus 8, it will give you 22. But since we are taking away bigger number from smaller number, 8 minus 30 will give us what? Minus 22. Now, 8z minus 30z will give us minus 22z. Then we have what? Plus 50. And we can write this as 50. Rearrange it from the back. 50 minus what? Minus 22z. Then minus 8z squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.